Hey everybody, and welcome to my shop. This week I want to talk about tripods. I usually work by myself, that means I'm alone in the shop, and while I work I use a tripod that holds my camera so I can film myself working. And while the tripod is one of the most essential tools that I have in my setup, it's also the one that annoys me the most because it just takes so much time to set it up. Just changing the height of the camera takes about 15 seconds. And that doesn't sound like a lot, but I do that for each video about 200 times. So that adds up to almost 50 minutes each week that I just play around with the tripod trying to find a better angle. And that is too much. It annoys me too much. I need to change this. So I went to the internet for some inspiration and I found two fantastic videos. One is by Jay Bates and one is by Jeremy Schmidt. And I took those guys' advice and just made it my own. The challenge for me was to not spend any money on this because I spent enough money on tripods in my life already. So my challenge was to build it with only stuff, leftovers from old projects and scraps that I have in my shop. Let's take a look. One more tip, to get the tension of the arm just right, I welded the bolt to the arm itself and then locked it with a self-locking washer. That way the bolts don't get looser when you move the arm up and down. And over time it might need some adjusting, but I will give you updates once I used it a couple weeks. Alright, I want to thank Lincoln Electric for sponsoring my work and specifically this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next week with a new video.